Your Windows 11 PC might not be running as fast as it should, and surprisingly, your hardware isn't the problem. There's a hidden setting inside Windows that quietly limits your performance every single day, and most people don't even realize it's there. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple tweak that can instantly make your PC feel faster. No risky software, no complicated tricks, just a built-in setting you can change anytime. By the end of this, you'll know how to switch your system from power-saving mode to full performance and stop Windows from wasting resources in the background. On my test systems, this one change improved app launch speeds by up to 30% and made multitasking noticeably smoother. And the best part? You can reverse it anytime in seconds. Please subscribe and like our videos. Many people watch and make use of our tips without subscribing. That doesn't really encourage us at all. Let's get started with the main setting. First, press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. From the left menu, click on System. Then, on the right side, find and select Power and Battery. Under Power mode, most PCs are set to Balanced. It sounds ideal, but it actually limits your CPU to save energy. Click on it and switch it to Best Performance. This tells Windows, stop holding back, use full power when needed. Now let's handle another setting that quietly drains performance in the background. Go back to System, then scroll down and click on Storage. Here you'll find Storage Sense. On many PCs, it's turned on by default, so go ahead and turn it off. Storage Sense is designed to automatically clean files and manage space. While that sounds helpful, it constantly runs in the background, scanning your drive and using CPU resources, even when you're working or gaming. Here's what we've done in simple terms. Switching to Best Performance allows your CPU to run at full speed instead of being limited to save power. Turning off Storage Sense stops background activity that can slow things down while you're using your PC. Think of it like this. Your computer stops trying to save energy all the time and focuses on giving you speed when you need it most. And don't worry, these are all official Windows 11 settings. No hacks, no registry edits, and nothing risky. If you ever want to go back, just follow the same steps and switch everything back. If this helped speed up your PC, drop a like so others can find it too. Subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tips that actually work. And in the comments, tell me, what's the biggest issue slowing down your PC right now? Slow startup, lag, or freezing? I might cover your problem in the next video.